Was Ripple helping Coinbase in the SEC case in a roundabout way? Also, does XRP deserve to be one of the top 3 currencies on the market? Also, a recent study by market data provider Keiko shows that XRP's liquidity score went up in Q2, putting it in the top 3. In the end, I'll talk about 5 crypto myths that nobody should believe. Welcome to our YouTube page, where we talk about the latest news about XRP and the world of cryptocurrencies in general. If you are watching one of our movies for the first time, we will be happy to send you a special welcome. We want you to click the bell so that you never miss a movie. We're letting people know that this station is giving away 200 XRP. To enter, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the hashtag XRP. The winner will then be revealed on Friday, July 15. Wendy O went to Twitter to explain how the $200 million that Ripple spent on the SEC case is now helping Coinbase defend itself against the commission. Remember that the SEC charged Coinbase earlier this month, saying that the exchange helps people trade securities that haven't been listed. The government body also said that Coinbase's platform for trading cryptocurrencies was not registered as a securities exchange. This week, Coinbase responded by filing a 117-page document asking the court to throw out the case. In the newly filed response, it's interesting to see how Coinbase used important information and experience from the Ripple case to defend itself. Notably, the San Francisco-based cryptocurrency exchange mentioned Hinman's texts, which came from the Ripple lawsuit. Ripple never found it easy to get the paper. After putting together a team of good lawyers, the blockchain business was able to get the SEC to give up the document. In an interview with CNBC, Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, said that the company's court battle with the SEC will cost $200 million. The way that Coinbase is using information from the Ripple case, especially Hinman's emails, has gotten the cryptocurrency community talking. Notably, Jeremy Hogan, a lawyer who supports XRP, also responded to the fact that Coinbase used information from the Ripple case in its answer to the SEC case. Please remember to subscribe to our station and also hit that bell to be the first person to know what's going on with XRP. Edward Farina used Twitter to say that having XRP is not for easily scared people, pointing out the many problems and risks that come with it. Farina pointed to the investors' constant fear, uncertainty, and doubt, as well as the current regulatory lawsuit, the delistings from several U.S. exchanges, price manipulation, and the effect it has on their mental health. Farina, on the other hand, said that these problems are why he will never sell XRP. He said that it is an asset that is not for everyone. In reaction to Farina's tweet, an anonymous supporter of cryptocurrencies said that XRP is a good coin to buy and hold, especially for new investors who want to build a strong portfolio for the next bull run. But the Twitter user warned against going too far and said that the uncertain cryptocurrency market comes with its risks. Another commenter told people to think of everything in life as a gamble, stressing how important it is to do thorough study, learn as much as possible, and believe in what you have. A trader spoke up and said that he was confident in XRP because of its global links and use, even though the US was trying to slow it down. In a different thread, BC, a well-known crypto influencer, said that XRP's low price does not reflect its real value and that it should be back in the top 3. According to the popular website CoinMarketCap, XRP was the 3rd biggest cryptocurrency in December 2019, with a market share of nearly $10 billion. That was exactly 1 year before the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, charged Ripple Labs with selling XRP without being listed as a security. Even though the SEC case was putting pressure on the market, XRP's price went up a lot by the end of the first quarter. Also, the price of XRP went up a lot at the end of the first quarter of the year, even though the SEC case was putting pressure on them. Most recently, a market intelligence company called Keiko did a study that showed that XRP's liquidity also got a lot better in the second quarter. Colin Wu, a well-known crypto writer, wrote about the story in a recent tweet. We also sent out a direct link to the Keiko piece. According to the article, XRP is one of 16 crypto assets on the top 30 list whose liquidity ranking went up compared to their market value in the second quarter. In this measure, XRP was much better than both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Keiko looked at the market value of 30 digital assets, except for stablecoins and wrapped tokens. They made their ranking method for liquidity better by using asset metrics and looking at trading. Market depth and traffic on more than 35 exchanges. Based on the volume analysis, XRP did very well, coming in third only behind Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of traffic. Keiko says that XRP went up 2 spots from where it was in the first quarter. The market data source said this was because investors were getting interested again. Keiko also said that huge amounts of XRP were traded on South Korean platforms. This interest from Korean buyers helped push the volume even higher. Last month, the Crypto Basic brought this trend to people's attention by saying that XRP is still the most traded currency on Korean exchanges. In this study, Keiko looked at both the volume and the depth of the market for the top 30 crypto assets. The size of all open orders is taken into account by the market depth. It works out how many buy and sell requests there are across the market. The company that gives information about the market used a market depth of 1%. Based on this, XRP also came in third, right after BTC and Ethereum. In the second quarter of this year, XRP's market depth jumped to $30 million. When both the number of trades and the size of the market are taken into account, XRP still has the third highest liquidity score among the top 30 cryptocurrencies. Good things that happened in the Ripple versus SEC case helped improve the overall liquidity. Based on availability, Keiko thinks that XRP has been one of the biggest movers since the first quarter. Ranking: XRP is currently being traded for $0.47, which is an increase of 1.31%. Please don't forget to subscribe to our station and hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know what's going on with XRP. Ripple is speaking out against 5 myths that have been around for a long time in the crypto business. As the world grows more interested in cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, Ripple wants to dispel myths that could slow down broad use and keep businesses from getting the benefits. Myth 1. Cryptocurrency is just a fad. Ripple shows that cryptocurrencies and blockchain solutions can be used in the real world, which is something that many skeptics don't believe, across different businesses and uses. Notably, these claims vary depending on what different crypto websites say. Also, central banks all over the world are looking into how central bank digital currencies could help more people get access to money. So, make monetary policy work better and make payments more efficient. Ripple also talked about a study by the Bank for International Settlements that showed that more than 90% of central banks are looking into CBDCs. Myth 2. Crypto is dangerous and unpredictable. Ripple said that even though crypto markets can be volatile, not all solutions that use crypto have the same qualities. Bringing attention to stablecoins like Tether, USDT, and Circle, USDC, which are tied to the US dollar and don't change much. Ripple also talked about its payment solution, which reduces risk by automatically taking into account price changes during settlement to make sure customers aren't harmed. Ripple said that the XRP ledger is the first big carbon-neutral blockchain that was made with sustainability in mind. This is because mining some coins takes a lot of energy. Also, XRP, the native asset of the ledger, doesn't need to be mined, which makes it even better for the Earth. Also, it was stated last year that some crypto operations use renewable energy sources, which helps with efforts to be more environmentally friendly. Myth 4. Crypto solutions are hard to use because they are complicated. Like the early days of the internet, when usability and connectivity needed to be improved, the crypto business has made a lot of progress in improving access and functionality. Myth 5. Crypto doesn't have clear rules around the world. Ripple said that governments around the world have started to accept crypto as a valid form of payment and are passing new laws to control them. As was already known, the Singaporean government recently gave Ripple an in-principle license. Blockchain technology can't be changed, so transaction records are always clear. This makes it easy for regulators to find and deal with strange trends and behaviors. Guys, this video has come to an end. If you liked it, make sure to like the video, follow it, and hit the bell to get notifications. This helps me a lot with how YouTube works. Also, by showing this movie to as many people as possible, you can help them learn just as much as you have. Let's tell everyone about this, guys. If you're a real fan of cryptocurrency, don't miss any of our posts. We'll talk about the latest news that affects us all as a group tomorrow.